That's what you call orange.
What makes Harrods so famous? It's not just the shopping, it's the experience. From luxury fashion and gourmet food to its stunning architecture. It's a place that millions of people visit every year just to see what all the hype is about. It's one of London's biggest attractions. People come from all over the world to see its luxury brands, stunning interiors, and famous food halls, even if they don't plan on buying anything.
Basically nothing.
Your credit card even does.
Wow, this is what you want to buy, right?
Walking through Harrods feels like stepping into a different world. Every department has its own style and character, from the famous food halls to the luxury fashion boutiques. Whether you're here to shop or just look around, there's always something impressive to see.
Here, women's wear. Marco, these are all, you can get lost.
The most expensive one. We are reaching.
Gucci. Louis Vuitton. Home furniture. Look like her.
Because actually, at the end of the day, later you try to find it back. Nothing special. Look at this.
Which one? Maybe we can buy a nice scent here. Here, Marco, on this side. This side? Okay. I don't know if we can walk like that. Oh, concept. That's what you need. That one.
Yeah, actually, something like that you need.
That's cool. Huh? And the center table. It's like you're not here for shopping, as you're here for just looking. Look at the color, Mako. Amazing.
Which wood is that?
18,000 pound. Oh my god. Can you open the drawer? Better don't touch it.
I hope you enjoyed the tour. We certainly enjoyed our visit to Harrods. We even showed some self-control. We only left with the classic Perfume First by Van Cleef and Arpels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.